Hello everyone, I am Professor Gunja and today I will upload some videos of data structure. Our subject is DSU, that means data structure using C. Using C means your C language. You already studied C language in first year. So here is DSU means data structure using C, means some concepts of C languages are used here. Okay, so total weightage of this subject is 150 marks. Okay, then 70 marks for your theory paper, 30 marks for your end sem exam. End sem exam means your first unit test, second unit test and micro project. Okay, then remaining 25 marks for your external practical exam. Practical is external for this subject. Okay, and remaining 25 marks for your manual and internal assessment. Okay, so overall 150 marks weightage for this subject. In today's section we will see our first unit, that is introduction of data structure. First unit is introduction of data structure. Weightage for first unit is 6 marks. Okay, in this unit we will cover basic concepts which is comes under data structure. So first is, what is data structure, what is mean by data structure, its types of data structure or classification of data structure, next need of data structure, etc. So first is, what is, step by step we will see. First is, what is mean by data structure. Okay, first is question, already question, sometime question will be asked for definition, that is 2 marks definition, what is data structure and give its need. So what is mean by data structure? The name itself indicate data structure. Data is nothing but your information, and data structure means the way of organizing the data in memory location is called as data structure. Way of organizing the data in memory location is called as data structure. Suppose we will take example. For example, here is the computer. Okay, what computer do? Computer always take input from user. Okay, computer always take input from user, then process on that input. Okay, what computer do? Computer always take input from user, process on that input, and it produces output. Output is nothing but your result. Okay, computer take input from user, process on that input and gives output to the user. So here user is same, take input from user, here again user is same, give output to the user. Then it is not mandatory, that means it is not compulsory for all time that computer always gives output to the user. Sometimes user interested in not only giving output, except that store their data into the memory. So what computer do? Always produces output, instead of that it will store data into the memory. Okay, so data stored in memory by different ways, means there are different ways to organizing the data in data structure, and these ways are nothing called as, these way, all ways are comes under your data structure, means organizing your data into the memory location. So example of data structure is your array, linked list, stack, queue, tree, graph. Okay, you already learned array. What is array? Array is a collection of elements or same type of elements stored in memory location. Size of array is fixed or constant. Okay, so what is data structure? Data structure means the way of organizing the data into the memory location. Okay, next is types of data structure or classification of data structure. Okay, there are two types of data structure. First one is primitive data structure, second one is non-primitive data structure. Okay, You already learned primitive data structure means what, non-primitive data structure means what. Okay, primitive data structure means all your primitive data types. Okay, which one? It is int, character, float, double, constant, this pointer, constant. These all primitive data types comes under primitive data structure. And second one is non-primitive data structure. Non-primitive data structure is again divided into two types. First one is linear data structure. Second one is non-linear data structure. See, what is linear means sequential. Linear data structure means sequential. Non-linear means random. Okay, means what? Data stored in sequential manner is called as linear data structure. And in non-linear data structure, data stored randomly, not in sequential manner, is called as non-linear data structure. Again, linear data structure and non-linear data structure again divided into subparts. First, linear data structure again divided into array. You already learned what is array. Next, stack, queue, linked list. These all comes under linear data structure. Then non-linear data structure again divided into tree and graph. Okay, non-linear data structure divided into tree and graph, and linear data structure divided into array, stack, queue, linked list. These all are data structure which is comes under linear and non-linear. That means data stored in array is stored in which manner? Sequential manner. Sequential means step by step. Data stored in stack is also stored in sequentially. Data stored in queue is also stored in sequential manner. Same for linked list. And in non-linear data structure, data stored in tree randomly, data stored in graph randomly. There is a no sequential manner. Okay, so here is the next chapter for your DSU subject, that is stack. The next chapter, queue is the next chapter, linked list is the chapter, tree is another chapter, and graph is another chapter. Okay, so types of data structure or classification of data structure. There are two types of data structure, primitive, non-primitive. तुम्हाला already questions most of times question विचारला जातो की explain classification of data structure. Okay, or explain types of data structure. So what is the answer? That is two types of data structure, primitive data structure, and second one is non-primitive data structure. Primitive data structure comes under primitive data type, that is int, character, float, double, pointer, constant. All these primitive data types comes under primitive data structure. And non-primitive data structure again divided into linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Linear means sequential. In linear data structure, data stored in sequential manner, that means step by step. And in non-linear data structure, data stored randomly, no need of sequential manner. Again, array, stack, queue, linked list, all these terms come under linear data structure, and trees and graphs comes under non-linear data structure. Okay, this is the classification of your data structure. Next, what is the need of data structure? Why data structure is used? So for adding new element into the data structure, deleting new element into the data from data structure, or search particular element from your data structure, or sorting elements into data structure. All these operations comes under data structure, and for performing all these operations we need data structure. So it's a 2 mark question. What is data structure, and write need of data structure. So what is the answer? Data structure is a way of organizing the data into memory location. Or another definition is data structure is a branch of computer science which deals with data to manage efficiently. Okay, example of data structure is array, tree, graph, queue, stack. These concepts we will see in next lecture. What is tree, what is graph, what is queue, what is stack. Okay. Then second is need of data structure. Why we need data structure? For adding new element into this data structure. This means array, tree, graph, queue, stack. All these data structure